has. She's full. Everybody always says they look like caviar. They do resemble it, but can't eat them. They are highly protected here in Maine. We protect them with this V-notch, the second flipper in on the right. Now that she has that V-notch, she can't be kept. She's safe to go breed for the rest of her life. Big females like this are protected because they produce so many eggs when they reproduce. This lobster's probably 40 or 50 years old. It's pretty incredible that she's made it this long without getting notched. She's probably got 60 or 70,000 eggs. Got a monster snack here for her. It's a monkfish. Kind of like the creepy fish off Finding Nemo with the light. Hang on tight, sweetheart. Make it down to this. You're gonna have a good winter. Got it.
Oh my God.